Hi, I'm here to teach you how to install dbatools offline because I think the documentation is not that clear. So to install the dbatools offline without internet, you have to download the dbatools zip, this one. Then after you download, you have to put it on the temp 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 disk. You have to put it on the temp folder. So you can create a drive C temp, this one. Then you when you download the DBA tools, it has this name. So you have to extract it and rename the file to DBA tools. Then open your PowerShell. For me, I'm using ISE, so then run as administrator. So after that, check the module path if the links on the module path. Then after that, get on that any of that path. For example, this C user scale cluster. You go to the drive. C user SQL cluster documents PowerShell modules. Then here on the modules, if the module folder is not there, you can create it. Then you can paste the modules, the DBA tools. So this will consist of this one. Then after that, just click refresh or relaunch your ISE. Then check if the DBA tools is there. So DBA tools, this one. So check if the DBA tools is there. So after that, you can use the all the modules of the DBA tools PowerShell. Thank you. And please like and subscribe this video so I can create more for you.